Hi, welcome to the lesson in algebra word problems. What are word problems? We can model problems in the real world by first stating the problem in words that we know. There will be some quantitative knowledge within the problem that we can then translate into mathematical statements. And then we can use our tools of algebra to solve the problem at hand. Let's have a look at this example. The product, keyword, product of two consecutive natural numbers is 30. Find the sum of these two numbers. So let's break this down. The question indicates the product of two consecutive natural numbers. So product means multiplication. Two numbers are said to be consecutive if they are of the form n and n plus 1. So this is the algebraic representation of saying that two numbers are consecutive. For example, 9 and 10 are consecutive natural numbers. 13 and 14 are consecutive natural numbers, and so on. So if we let this arbitrary number be n, could be any natural number n, the next number, the consecutive natural number to n, is just adding 1 onto it. Hence, n plus 1. This product now becomes n times n plus 1, and we were given that the product is 30. We can expand the left-hand side and simplify. So using FOIL, or the distributive law of algebra, n times n is n squared, n times positive 1 is positive n, and we subtract the 30 over to get minus 30, and that equals 0. So now we have it in the general form that we can solve it in. So if we factorize this expression, we will see that it factorizes into n plus 6 times n minus 5 equals 0, right? From these factors, we can then conclude that n must be negative 6, because that'll make that factor equal to 0. And n can equal positive 5, which will make this factor equals to 0. Since the problem said two consecutive natural numbers, we can ignore the solution n equals negative 6, as that is not a natural number. It is in fact an integer. So n equals 5 is our solution, and the next consecutive natural number will be n plus 1, which will be 6. We can see that this solution works because 5 times 6 is 30, and we were told that the product of these two consecutive natural numbers must be 30. So we definitely have the correct values. But remember to read the original question carefully. We were asked to find the sum of these two natural numbers. Hence, our final answer is given by adding these two numbers, 5 plus 6, which is 11. I'll see you in the next one.